Drinking smoothies and eating a salad every day lost half his weight in just 11 months. The sedentary life that today thousands of people carry out does not allow them to have a healthy body, but the worst part of the case is that they do nothing to remedy it. It should be made very clear that people should not only lose weight for aesthetic reasons, but also to avoid health problems, since overweight triggers a series of cardiovascular problems that put your physical integrity at risk. That's why we share the story of a girl who managed to lose half of her weight in an incredible way. Tabitha Rogers had always had problems of overweight, but never had a greater motivation to lose the extra kilos. It was so that at 24 years old he was around 130 kilos and weighed twice as much as his height required to reach a healthy weight. But like everything else in life, Tabitha was faced with a moment that changed her perspective and made her realize that losing weight should become a priority for her: a trip to Europe. According to what the Daily Mail tells, the girl boarded a plane that would take her to the old continent to enjoy a few days full of adventure, but when she sat down she realized that she did not fit well in her seat. It was there that he understood that things were getting out of control. "I thought nobody deserves to live like that." It was my moment of enlightenment. In addition, my doctor told me that I was about to suffer from ulcerative colitis that, if it continues to progress, it can turn into bowel cancer. He changed his diet completely, began to exercise, and in just 11 months he managed to lose 65 kilos in a healthy way. Of course, her process was not always easy, especially considering that she suffered from irritable colon and post-traumatic stress, something that had led her since very early to seek refuge in food. I realized that I was not eating to make myself feel good, I was eating because I hated myself. He used food and alcohol, and although he did not do it too much, he did it enough to gain weight. He began to stop consuming sugar and gluten. With only that small change he began to feel much better. Second, and after a while, he left the processed foods and concentrated on maintaining a certain consistency in his eating habits. It meant that I would not have days when I would eat whatever I wanted. I worried about eating well every day. Then he began to exercise little by little. First he started walking and swimming a bit, and only later did he include more intense circuits and muscular resistance exercises. He did it in this order because due to his excess weight his knees suffered with long walks. When you weigh 130 kilos your knees and calves hurt after 2 or 3 minutes walking. But believe it or not, this simple regime helped her lose 30 kilos, and seeing this great change decided to quit smoking and use all the money she previously invested in cigarettes to pay for a personal trainer. He started training with Carly Thurlow, who in the past had also lost a lot of weight and had experience in workouts that minimized the amount of loose skin. Inspired by her experience, Tabitha joined her personal trainer, and together they launched the Vibrant Healthy Living website that seeks to help others lose weight, stay inspired and live healthier. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.